Indian weather conditions? Yes, you can. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, please give your support to giving a big round of applause for our TRESOR. It offers an extended range of 60 to 80 km per charge with 5 levels of pedal assist and a throttle-only option. So TRESOR, the main part of this unveil is you have to want to know the prime delivery starts from the 3rd week of January. So we are happy and we are privileged to tell that it starts just rupees of 999 where you can just book our TRESOR ECycle from
we are from Voltrix Mobility. We are entering the ECycle segment. This is TRESOR first product. This is design perfect product TRESOR. So this is battery convenience range 80 kilometers. So office charge only cost only 3 rupees per charge. So the convenience you will be able to move a longer distance per charge. This is convenience, design, this is day to day or average Indian road conditions and weather conditions drive design. So it might be any age student, young person, even or senior citizen. There are 3 to 4 modes of riding. Pedal assist mode, throttle bike use panikalam. Illa enakku edhume vena na fitness kaga weekly once edhur porana kuda neenga fitness ku vandu complete switch off panni use panikalam. So or all purpose vehicle or average Indian ku office commute kaga panna vehicle da TRESOR. So we have different customer profiles kaga we are going to come up with 2 more products. Adukana works ella poitu irukku. Soon we will be like launching the other 2. Pricing இந்த வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதோட early bird offer வந்து 55,999 999 கொடுத்து இது வந்து immediately நீங்க book பண்ணிக்கலாம். Delivery வந்து 3rd week of January ல வந்து EMI options. Yes, easy financial options எல்லாமே available இருக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட. கண்டிப்பா பண்ணி. We have an experience center in Adaya. Online லயே வந்து you can avail it. Battery market.
Wonderful speech today. Thank you, and thanks for the entire Voltrix team what they have presented about today. I'm really happy and proud to be standing here and sharing the stage with my entire team. I'd like to tell you, we know everybody all know about cycle and how eco-friendly it is. We're not just eco-friendly company, we are also producing eco-friendly components. When they say eco-friendly, wherever you manufacture, right from the beginning, right from the birth, each and every components are created eco-friendly, which consumes less energy, less amount of resources, and deliver the better product. We are trying to be a carbon neutral company, and that's our focus, and that's our journey, and that's the future of Voltrix. And thank you so much.